Hello, my dear family members. I hope all of you are preparing well for your upcoming Accenture exam. Today, I'm going to cover most of the chapters which are important for verbal ability in Accenture. Like the first chapter is synonym antonyms, then error detection, then parajumbles, then sentence corrections or sentence completions, fill in the blanks. Okay, and then sentence improvement. Okay, apart from reading comprehension, I'm going to cover most of the chapters and most of the important questions. Okay, so if you cover these questions, then almost same or similar concept questions will arrive in your exam. Okay, so don't skip any moment. Okay, so let's start with the first question, but one request to you, please subscribe this channel and watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and also subscribe our another channel called UBK Anna, so that I will be motivated. Okay, so please make me energized to make other content as well. So I hope you will subscribe. Okay, so let's start with the first question. So the first question is from synonym antonym. So the question is, choose the synonym of the word abundant. So from the following, rare, scarce, plentiful, and meager, which is the correct answer? So let me take the pen. Show among the following which is the correct form of synonym of abundant: rare, scarce, plentiful, or meager. Okay, so let me explain. Actually, I have covered a full videos regarding synonym antonym, and there I have told some tips. Okay, so please cover those. Okay, so let me answer. So in this case, the correct answer will be plentiful. Okay, because why? Because abundant means having plenty or large quantity of something. Okay, so and plentiful is also available in large quantities. Actually, this is the meaning. Okay, so plentiful will be the correct answer. So the next question is, choose the antonym of the word benevolent. So basically benevolent means kind, good person, generous, compassionate. Okay, compassionate. So obviously cruel will be the antonym of the benevolent. Okay, so the next question is from error detection. So in error detection, you will be having a sentence, and in this sentence there may be some mistakes and may not be some mistakes. Okay, so you have to choose. Actually, in this question I forgot to give an option no error. So you will have some words or some phrases, and at the end you will have another option called no error. You have to choose among these. Okay, so in this question, in this sentence, what is the wrong phrase or wrong word? Please give me the answer in the comment section before I give. Okay, so in this case the correct answer will be, so actually she don't like to eat apples. In this case the fault is here. Why? Because when we are using third person singular number, that is he or she, or one person like Ram or Sam or Jodu or Madhu or Rahim, Ram. Okay, one person, then we have to use does. Okay, if it is in past indefinite tense, then we have to use doesn't. Okay, we have to use s or yes along with the verb. Okay, so I hope you understood. So she doesn't like to eat apples, so it will be the correct answer, but here don't used, so that's why the fault is this. Okay, so I hope you understood. So let me go to the next question. So the next question is this: identify the error in the sentence. Neither of the two boys have done their homework. Neither have done their. So what is the error in the sentence? So what's the mistake in this sentence? So please give me the answer. Okay, so let me answer. In this case, have will be the fault. Have in have there is a fault. Okay, why? Because the correct verb should be has. Neither of the two boys. So here neither is actually pointing to one person. So like one of the persons. So persons are like in plural, but one of the person is pointing to someone which is singular. Okay, so neither of the two means one of the two. Okay, so sorry, none of the two. So that means here, yeah, we are pointing to one person. So that's why neither of the two boys has done their homework. This will be correct. Okay, so have is the fault. Okay, so next question is from parasamples. So in parasample you will have some order of the order of the phrases or order of the words, you have to rearrange those, okay, in meaningful sentence. Like in this case, here we have just used very few words, but in actual exam there may be some phrases, okay, like this is the example, okay, so please go through that, like was he going to the market. So you have to at first arrange that, okay. So when we'll go to the next question, we'll get a tougher question, so please please attend this question, okay. So in this case the correct answer will be what? At first he, the subject, okay. So at first you have to choose the verb or the subject, okay. If you found the verb, then you can easily found the subject, okay, because who is going? He, okay, so he is going, that means he is the subject. Then it is in past perfect continuous tense, so he was going to the market will be the correct answer. So 2 1 3 4 will be the correct answer, okay. So in this case option A will be correct, okay. So actually you have to maintain the order of the sentence, like at first subject, then verb, at first subject, then verb, then object, okay, and then blah blah blah. So you have to just fulfill this criteria, okay. So let's go to the next question, that is this. So rearrange the following to form a meaningful sentence again. So in the park they are playing, okay. Actually maybe in your exam there may be like here only two words used, okay, in one option, and there may be three, there may be two, there may be two, there may be three, four words in a single option, okay. So it is just about their mentality, I mean they can give you or they may not give you, okay. So please give the answer, and you can guess the actual question from this, okay. So let's go to the solution. So here also are playing, okay. So are playing, this is the verb, playing is the verb, okay. So who is playing? So they, okay. So they playing, so that means this is the subject, and they are playing, so this is the verb. So subject plus verb then object, so they are playing where? In the park, okay. So subject is here, then verb is here, and object is among these, okay. So in the park will be the correct answer. So subject plus verb plus object, so 3 4 then 1 2, 3 4 1 2, so option A will be correct, okay. So let's go to the next question, that is sentence completion or fill in the blanks, okay. So the movie was so dash that I could not stop crying. So the movie was so boring, the movie was so thrilling, the movie was so touching, or the movie was so funny that I couldn't stop crying. So what will be the correct meaningful sentence, correct meaningful word which will be occupied here, okay. So please give me the answer. So at first let me put boring, the movie was so boring that I could not stop crying. So when people cry, when it is heart touching, okay, then people cry, okay. It is, if it is boring, then they will not cry. If this is thrilling, they will not cry, they will be astonished, they will be scared, okay. And if this is funny, then they will be laughing, not crying, okay. So that means this must be heart touching, okay. The movie was touching that I couldn't stop crying, so touching will be the correct answer, okay. So the next question is, he has been working here dash 2010. So here which preposition will be the correct? Since, for, from, by. So he has been working. This is in present perfect continuous tense, and present in present perfect continuous tense, mainly the event has been actually has started earlier, but still is in progress. That means when it will be completed we don't know, okay. So that means a event which is already started earlier but is still continuing, okay. So that is present perfect continuous tense. So in case of present perfect continuous tense, most of the time since will be used to refer the time, okay, to refer the duration. So he has been working here since 2010, okay. So I hope you understood. So the next question is from sentence improvement. She said me that she would come. She told me that she would come. She said that she would come. She said me she would come. So which one is the correct? So give me the answer. Okay. So I will give you a quiz question after this question. So please wait. Let me answer this. Okay. So in this case, the option A will be correct because she told me that she would come. Actually, here told me will be used in case of said me. Okay, instead of said me. Right. So this is actually rule for interrogative. Sorry, that was like direct speech to indirect speech. Okay. So I hope you understood. So let's go to the next question, that is he is senior than me by 5 years. So he is senior to me by 5 years. He is senior from me by 5 years. He is senior than I by 5 years. He is senior than to me by 5 years. So what will be the correct answer? So subject, then verb plus object. So this way the sentence must be arranged. But here is it following. So let me check it. So he's senior to me by 5 years. It will be actually correct answer. That means option A again will be the correct answer. So actually here senior is followed by to rather than. Okay. Senior should be followed by to, not than. Okay. Senior to me. Okay. Actually, you have to know appropriate prepositions so that you can get it. Okay. So let's go to the next question. So this will be a quiz question for you. Choose the synonym of the word eloquent. So from the following, please choose the answer and give me the answer in the comment section so that I can see how much attentively you are watching the videos. Okay. So this is a quiz problem. So if your answer is right or wrong, I'll again, for both case, I'll give you a heart. Please give the answer. Okay. Please engage more and more. So let me show you the next question. But before I proceed, I would recommend you to have the prime materials of Accenture or any company that you want, in which I have included all the recent questions with answers, all the mock test, coding questions, all the necessary part. Okay, so if you want, then please knock me at my Insta ID, instagram.com/techno.ef. You will get it. This is paid but very affordable. Okay, so I hope you will recommend, you will consider it. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Choose the antonym of the word gregarious: social, introverted, friendly, or talkative. So, gregarious means sociable. So, this must not be introverted. So, sociable, introverted persons are not sociable. Okay. So, they are extroverted. Okay. So, social, this is similar, friendly, talkative, they are actually extrovert persons. Okay. That means gregarious. So, this will be antonym of introverted. Okay. So the next question is from error detection. Identify the error in the sentence. Each of the boys are playing in the ground. So where are the mistakes? That is each in of the or are or playing. So please choose very wisely and give the answer. Okay. Actually, what happens in exam, you will get only exceptional questions. Like in case of article, you will get questions like university, hour, honor, MLA, these type of questions. Okay. Actually, I have been providing quiz questions every day, and I am giving this type of questions, and some people actually don't know what is used in case of university. Like they don't know the exceptional cases. Okay, and they're arguing very badly in comment section. So please, if I am wrong, then I'll obviously agree with you. Okay, I may have some problems. Okay, so please explain politely. Okay, so I hope you will give importance to this. Okay, so let me answer this. Okay, so in this case the correct answer will be R. This is also an exceptional question, because actually whenever you will see each of the boys, so people start thinking like this is okay, so they will opt for no error. But each is actually used for singular noun. Okay, so that means each of the boys is referring to singular person. That means here R will be eliminated. That means is will be correct answer for this case. Okay, so that's why R is having mistakes, so R will be the correct answer. Okay, so the next question is identify the error in this sentence. He did not knew the answer. So he didn't know the answer. So where are the mistakes? So this is again a quiz question for you. I'm not giving the answer. This is again easy question, still this is for your learning purpose. So please keep the answer in the comment section, and please give all the quiz questions answer in a single comment. Okay, so I'm going to give you another quiz problem. So give all three questions in a single comment. Okay, so the next question is like from parasamples. So rearrange the following to form a meaningful sentence. So in the sky blue is. So in this case, at first, what is blue? That is sky is blue. Okay. So the sky is blue will be the correct answer. In this case, actually in is by mistake written. So the sky is blue. So 1, 2, 4, 3 will be the correct answer. 1, 2, 4, 3. Sorry, I think the no options are given. So actually by mistake it is written. So the sky is blue. The sky is blue. This is the correct answer. Okay. So let's go to the next question. Rearrange the following to form a meaningful sentence. So because we it on. We own it because. So what will be the correct answer? Uh, there are some mistakes, like here it should be like of it. So if it is in the option, then choose let's make your sentence. So we own because of it will be the correct form. Okay, we own 2431. Sorry, we own because of it. That means 2413. 2413. A will be the correct answer. Okay. So the next question is regarding sentence completion. So the team was dash after their victory. Demotivated, disappointed, elated, or exhausted. So after victory, no one can be disappointed. Everyone will be in good mood, right? No one can be demotivated. So these first two options are eliminated. Okay, and no one can be exhausted as well, because whenever someone wins, they will obviously elated. Okay, so the correct answer will be option C. Okay. So the next question is, she is dash at signing than dancing. She is better, she is good, she is best, she is well. So here best will be used or not. When when best used, like in case when only superlative degree, like one person who is unique character in the class or in the something. So then we use best, like Saurabh is the best player in cricket. Okay, so this way we can use best. But here good can be used, but here we are comparing. So is the if the sentence was up to this, she is good at signing, this is okay. But here than dancing it is used. That's why better will be used. Better is used only for comparing purpose, comparison purpose. Okay, she is better at signing than singing than dancing. Okay, so let's go to the next question, that is regarding this sentence improvement. So the train was late by the time I reached. So in this case, what will be the correct answer? So the train, so let me show you the next question before that. So they have lived here since 10 years. So this is a quiz question problem. This is the last question and this is the quiz question for you. So please give me the answer in the comment section. I'll love it. Okay, so let me answer this question. So what will be the answer for this for this question? The train was late by the time I reached. The train was late when I reached. The train was late before I reached, or the train was late until I reached. So actually the case is about preposition. Okay, the train was late when I reached. So this will be the correct answer. Actually, when is correct conjunction to indicate the time relation in this sentence, because before, until, since, we have to use this very wisely, because since is used when we have started some event before and still continuing. Since is used at that time. Okay, and before is used like when it is used, but in this case when will be the correct answer. Okay, so actually I have to end this session as of now. So if you loved this session, please subscribe this content and please watch the playlist regarding any company that you want, and please join our Telegram channel t.me/UBK Anna to discuss exams questions and their answers. And if you want to discuss any other questions, then also you can talk me there. Okay, and please consider our prime materials of Accenture or any company that you want, and please join. So thank you for today's session.